Yeah, I got nothing right now, so yeah. The bolt is everything and nothing at the same time. All right, let's see, pull it out. Let's see what happens. Perfect. I don't know what to do, yeah. Certified redneck. Yeah. Alright, y'all. This is not how you're supposed to pull an M54, but we got it pulled. It's right here with the trans and the motor all out. So we just got to get it on a pallet and then get the trans off, and we can put it on a motor stand and see what the damage is. But she is all out of there. We can go ahead and clean up the subframe. Alright, y'all. We're going to start breaking down the block, getting all the accessories off, all the wires, all the piping. Check out the turbos, and then we'll get the block moved upstairs and then get it on the motor stand. Let's go. Y'all are doing this, I'm cutting off the vacuum lines just because you want to replace them anyway anytime you do anything, kind of have it stripped down as much.
because if they're old, they'll get brittle and they'll crack, and then you'll have a ton of boost leaks with vacuum and stuff. And you gotta have good vacuum. So if you're just doing this, don't worry about trying to pull them off. Just cut them off with a razor and replace them once you're done.
They all play here. 105.7 The Bull.
Alright, I see a lot of oil. Alright guys, so I see a lot of oil along the valve cover seal right here. Right on top of here. So see it all through there. So what I'm thinking is it was leaking off of here onto the turbo manifold and then down on here and making it look like a turbo problem. We still got to get the inlets off, and we can definitely tell if it's a turbo problem or not, but yeah, we'll see. You have to check it out. It's kind of hard to tell because there's oil on everything, so you can't really track anything down properly. So we'll see. Yeah, I'll keep breaking down this block. Well, I don't think there should be oil right here. I don't think there should be oil in the inlets as well. So, look at that. It shouldn't be like that, man. We got a problem. Well, there's no shaft play on the turbo, so that's good. At least this one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and unbolt the rest of the exhaust here. There's just one bolt on it that I could not get from inside the car. And then take out the last inlet, and that'll probably be all I do as far as right now. I probably want to get it up on the mount first. I gotta take the transmission off, so I guess I could start working on that as well. Alright, I think I found where all the oil is coming from. Look at that. Second I take these bolts out, it just starts coming out. You know how it be. So there's so much oil there. Okay, I'm gonna pull the other side off and we'll see if it just starts coming more, you know.